boy. That's not chocolate milk, that's coffee.
I just had a chocolate milk.
Didn't mean to ruin your chocolate milk. Look at that, guys, that is all urine. I don't know if I've ever seen urine that brown. Usually it's more of a yellow color. But wow. That,
Bro Henry's.
yeah. Oh my goodness. This is the rug. It's completely saturated with urine. Wow. Look at that. I know a few people that have been dying for this video. Oh my goodness. How satisfying is that? That's crazy. And that's really just getting the pet treatment product on there and then flushing it through. We haven't really started the cleaning process yet. This is just treating the pet urine.